everyone. So I'm very excited to announce our new work, which is in beta version, and we'll show you the demo. So it's all about the agents. Who are not familiar about our agents work is something that is autonomous and running behind the scene, helping our agents, marketing or sales team to analyze their sales data or the pricing or the markup with their competitor sites. So we have implemented two of our marketing partners. One is Kayak, second one is Skyscanner. And here you can see that we have set up two of the agents, and in the beta version we are providing two action, which is the email action, or you can view all the results in our web browser area. In future we'll be extending them to find fire webhook, or just updating the markup system itself with some kind of rules that still can be implemented via our partners. So let's start with a simple demo. And once I click on this one, you will be see that there are a couple of menus where we can activate or deactivate this one, or I can edit it. And these are the settings, like what kind of things, what partner uh, I want to crawl, or I this is normally the self one, uh, and I it will evaluate the pricing for their competitors till it able to find the self one. And we can provide the route. For demo we are using the inline routes. We can have the external way of defining the route also with the sheet or data, and then at the bottom it can perform some kind of action, like right now we have the email action or webhook action, and there is a email setup. So let's see behind the scene. This is the active one. So we'll see the activity. This is the browser way of viewing the activity. And once we click on this activity, you will be able to see that behind the scene it was crawling at some duration, not the fixed one. We cannot define that one. But here, if I select this one and go to detail, so nothing was found here for this particular date or the destination. Let, let us try some other one. Here I can see that there is one airline, TK airline, for which some of our competitors are there, and it is showing in the red because the current partner is at the bottom, it's not on the top, and there are multiple different partners are showing there. The similar way we can have some other one. If I see here, we see multiple airlines like AF, FI and KL, and with our partner price. So it will help our marketing team members to identify where they are uh, seeing at the lower price or the higher price with the competitors or not. So the purpose of this is just to make sure that you get very competitive with your competitors on the same channel, and in the same way the other crawler will also work. And let me show you that one. And here is the sky scanner, and similarly we can edit this one. For the one-time setup, we can set up the partner, defining route and other things. And once we click on the activity, you can see there are activities behind the scene working. So let us check if we get something. So you can see that there are multiple uh, partners are available at this point, and we can have different partners. I can also uh, show you the by clicking one, and I can click on one of the partners and it will land you the partner's website. So it is loading the images, and what was the partner price was 654. And here, let's see how they are finding. I think they are not able to find the accurate price, so they landed on some other. So let's try some different partners. And here we have 650 pricing. For that, we have 650 pricing. So similarly, we can track and maintain our competition with our partners. And it can also send the email with a regular interval. So let me show you some of the emails, and here we can see it. Here we see it like this one. This can be forwarded to our marketing agent so that they can just analyze what all changes they need to make in the markup system. Thank you, everyone. This is just the beginning. We are in process to implement a couple of more actions so that it can connect to our partner's markup system to update it automatically on a schedule basis. Thank you, everyone.